Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's get into another morning video. It's going to be relatively simple, so just persevere with me. This is the last video I'll be having to do on this crummy laptop. I'll be going back to my house late tonight, so tomorrow we'll be back to my normal 100% pure quality videos and streams. Thanks for persevering with me, especially the Patreon members who pay subscription for these live streams, and there's only so much I can do when I'm away, but sometimes you do have to prioritize other things over even business, really. Right, so let's get stuck in. Right, Bitcoin pulling back, no big deal. We're in a range. The bottom range is 101.4, so $101,000 basically. You could see a wick down a little lower, but to be honest with you, I imagine it's gonna, well, I say I imagine, about my imagination. I believe it's likely to hold above that. But I think we're going to come down to the bottom of the trend line. I think we're going to hold on this 50 exponential, so it's closer to $102,000, just a little lower than 102. And from there, we should bounce and continue with this kind of sort of flat range, really. There's not a great deal of uh, momentum on either side. So we're hoping that we're just going to do a sideways range. Again, the 1 hourly sort of backing up this 101 800 area still, so we've got evidence to say that we can still bounce from this. We are looking like you are going to get a bit of a short signal on the 1 hourly, but because it's only the 1 hourly, the short signal takes you to the next level of resistance. That's between here and the 101. So not much further to go if it's going to bounce, really. Ethereum, what are you up to then? For Ethereum, obviously a big move up, nice consolidation down. Does look a little weak around these levels with no real support below it, and it's unfortunate, but it has been a powerful move. Look how far away the 200 exponential is. Well, it is only a 1 hourly, so I suppose that's what we should expect. The 4 hourly is starting to build up a little bit of strength over here now, and we are sitting around the Bollinger Band as well. So, on the last big move up, we came down to hit the 21, 21, 21. And then maybe we're going to be doing that again. And the 21 exponential moving average is just a little lower than where we are right now, literally by about $10 or so, $15, 2,550. So you should be hopefully looking for a bounce around those areas on Ethereum. We're not like super massively bullish on Ethereum, but you can be optimistic. Closing a candle above this area, and again we closed above the 20 moving average on the weekly, and we retested it and the horizontal already this week. We had a nice move up towards the 2,800, and maybe we come back down towards 2,400. Again, Ethereum in a sort of a range as well. XRP now still back down, but it's all about the weekly close for XRP, but it is looking good. You want to get above $2.50. $2.50 with the breakout momentum RSI, and the money flow index for the volume and the price action above resistance, then you're looking for the new all-time high. That's all I really have to say about it. It's not really much more to say about it. As we were talking yesterday, we're looking for a bit of a bounce on the dominance chart, whether that's going to pull back or a Bitcoin rally. We're sort of getting a bit of that now, so down towards the center of this Bollinger Band. So you might see continuation on that one. But the daily is basically got more resistance and support above us at this point now. So if you do move up to 63.5, that's probably where you get rejected support around 61. Things are looking good, I have to say. Things are looking good. Finally, let's have a little rain check on stocks. And the pre-market is out, and we're going red. So this is where things could change a little bit, but only in terms of opportunity, I think, at this point now, because we've broken above where I consider to be a major resistance, which is good. Now we're above the resistance, you need to retest it to see if it's support. The support could be anywhere from 5,760 5,650. Give or take, maybe a little wick down, 5,600. These areas, really. If you lose these areas, then actually at that point, yeah, it's going to be pretty poor. It's unfortunate, but we haven't got the pump signal or the trend signal, not yet. We do need to close higher to get a pump signal, and that would easily take you above 6,000. We haven't got it. So let's not talk about something that we don't have. Right, that's about it. So, like I said, yeah, thanks for sticking with me. I know it's hard to watch these crap videos. It's been a decent week of trading, or well, a couple of weeks almost, really. Our portfolios have risen a fair bit. trades have been pretty successful. Now it's a matter of allowing for a pullback to hopefully gain support and then continue from there, which I think it will, to be honest. I think it will. Right. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.